Hello students, in this lecture series now we'll discuss about phenols. Phenols are aromatic hydroxy compounds. These are aromatic hydroxy compounds. Aromatic hydroxy compounds in which OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. In which OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Directly attached to the benzene ring. Now let us see the classification. For example, yes, let us see. Yes, this is benzene ring. If OH group is attached to benzene ring directly, in such type of organic compounds are called as phenols. If here this is phenol, if OH group is not directly attached to the benzene ring, here in this case OH group is attached to the carbon atom which is not part of the benzene ring. Such this is called as alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. This is different between alcohol and phenol. In phenol, OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. In alcohol, OH group is not attached to the benzene ring. It is attached to aliphatic carbon atom. Here carbon atom is not a member of benzene ring. Now we'll discuss classification of phenols. Based on number of OH groups present in a molecule of phenol, phenols are classified as monohydric phenols. Classified as monohydric phenols. Monohydric phenols. Dihydric phenols. Dihydric phenols. Trihydric phenols. Trihydric phenols. Monohydric phenols. Dihydric phenols and trihydric phenols. Monohydric phenols are those compounds in which the organic molecule contains only one OH group is attached to benzene ring. In dihydric phenol, two OH groups are attached to benzene ring. In trihydric phenols, three OH groups are attached to the benzene ring. Now we'll discuss monohydric phenols. Monohydric phenols contain one OH group per molecule directly attached to the benzene ring. If only one OH group is attached to the benzene ring, such type of phenols are called as monohydric phenols. Example, this is parent compound. Here only one OH group is attached to the benzene ring. This is phenol. Next, orthocresol. Orthocresol H3OH. Orthocresol. Metacresol CH3OH. Metacresol. Next is paracresol CH3OH. This is paracresol. All these compounds contain only one OH group per molecule. These are the examples of monohydric phenols. Now we'll discuss dihydric phenols. Dihydric phenols contain two OH groups. They contain two OH groups per molecule directly attached to the benzene ring. Example, catechol, which name of this compound is catechol. IUPAC name is benzene 1,2-diol. Benzene 1,2-diol. Benzene 1,2-diol. This compound is resorcinol. Resorcinol. Benzene 1,3-diol. Benzene 1,3-diol. This is quinol. Catechol benzene 1,2-diol. Resorcinol benzene 1,3-diol. Quinol benzene 1,4-diol. All these compounds contain 2 OH groups per molecule. Next, trihydric phenols, which contains 3 OH groups per molecule directly attached to the benzene ring. They contain 3 OH groups per molecule. Example: OH, OH, OH. Benzene 1,2,3-triol. Common name is pyrogalol. Pyrogalol. Benzene 1,2,3-triol. Next example: hydroxyquinol. Hydroxyquinol. Benzene 1,2,4-triol. Benzene 1,2,4-triol. OH. This is benzene 1,3,5-triol. Benzene 1,3,5-triol. The common name is fluoroglucinol. Okay, these are the compounds in which 3 OH groups are present, and that all the 3 OH groups are directly attached to the benzene ring. Yes, here benzene 1,2,3-triol. Pyrogalol. Hydroxyquinol 1,3,5. Benzene 1,3,4. Benzene 1,2,4. Benzene 1,2,4-triol. This is benzene 1,3,5-triol. Fluoroglucinol. These are the example for trihydric phenol. Now we'll discuss methods of preparation of phenols. First, from halogens. Already we have discussed this reaction in haloalkanes as well as in halogen chapter. When chlorobenzene is heated with aqueous sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, sodium phenate is formed. ONA. This is sodium phenate. Plus HCl. Next is sodium phenate on acidification. Sodium phenate ONA treated with HCl acidification, you are going to get phenol. Here OH, this is phenol plus NaCl. This is chlorobenzene. This is sodium phenate. Chlorobenzene is heated with sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin 300 atmospheric pressure. Sodium phenate is formed, which on acidification gives phenol. This is method of preparation starting from haloarine. Next preparation starting from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, first benzene is Subjected to sulfonation, benzene is treated with oleum. Benzene is treated with oleum. Oleum is fuming sulfuric acid. OLEUM. Benzene is treated with oleum, that is fuming sulfuric acid. It is H2S2O7. H2S2O7, that is formula of oleum. Benzene is heated with oleum. You are going to get benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H is attached to benzene ring, that is benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, which is converted to sodium phenoxide, on treatment with first molten sodium hydroxide. Followed by acidification. Second one, treated with acid, you are going to get a phenol. This is second method of preparation. First, benzene is treated with oleum, OLEUM, that is H2S2O7. This is also called as fuming sulfuric acid. This is also called as fuming, FUMING. Fuming sulfuric acid, fuming H2SO4, fuming sulfuric acid. You are going to get benzene sulfonic acid, which is treated with molten sodium hydroxide. You are going to get sodium phenate, which on acidification forms phenol. This is second method of preparation. Now we'll discuss preparation of phenol starting from diazonium salts. A diazonium salt is formed by treating an aromatic primary amine, that is example aniline. This is aromatic primary amine, NH2, aniline. Aromatic primary amine with nitrous acid. As this is unstable, we can prepare nitrous acid by treating NaNO2 with HCl at temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin. You are going to get benzene diazonium chloride. Aniline is treated with sodium nitrate and HCl, which in turn gives HNO2. This HNO2 at temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin. You are going to get benzene diazonium chloride. This nitrous acid reacts with the aniline. You are going to get benzene diazonium chloride, N2 plus Cl minus, N2 plus Cl minus. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, which is warmed with water or treated with dilute acid. Add water and warm. First add water, then warm it, or add warm water, or even you can treat this with dilute acids. You are going to get phenol. This is another method of preparation of phenol. Along with this, nitrogen gas is liberated and HCl is liberated. This is how we can prepare phenol starting from diazonium salts. Now we'll discuss preparation of phenol starting from cumin, and this is a very important reaction. Cumin is nothing but it is isopropyl benzene. It is isopropyl benzene. Okay, first we'll write the formula of cumin. CH CH3 CH3. This is cumin, or also known as isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. Oxygen gas is bubbled through cumin, maintained at 130 degrees centigrade. You are going to get cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. First, you have to bubble oxygen gas through cumin at 130 degrees centigrade. You are going to get cumin hydroperoxide, COOH. Here CH3 and CH3. CH3, CH3. This is cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. This is treated with dilute acid. Treated with dilute acid. Here I have taken H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin. You are going to get phenol OH, phenol, as well as another byproduct, useful byproduct, acetone or propanone. Acetone or propanone. Cumin is nothing but isopropyl benzene. First, oxygen gas is bubbled through cumin at 130 degrees centigrade. You are going to get cumin hydroperoxide, CH3C CH3OOH, cumin hydroperoxide, which on acidification, or which is treated with dilute acid such as dilute sulfuric acid, you are going to get phenol and acetone. This is how we can prepare phenol starting from benzene. Now let us see how this cumin is prepared. First, let us see conversion of benzene to cumin. 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 Here, this is benzene, and this is propene. This is cumin or isopropyl benzene. Benzene is heated with propene. Benzene is heated with propene in the presence of phosphoric acid catalyst at 523 Kelvin and 25 atmospheric pressure. Isopropyl benzene is obtained. This is known as cumin. Isopropyl benzene. Another name is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. In this way, we can prepare cumin, and which is bubbled through, or oxygen gas is bubbled through cumin. You are going to get cumin hydroperoxide, which is treated with a dilute sulfuric acid. You are going to get phenol. This is how we can prepare the phenol starting from cumin.